If you want to understand how the financial world works, why the economy has been in trouble for decades, and why this may not change, you are at the right place. If talking about money without taboo interests you, this video is also for you. And if you are looking to invest your money smartly with a personalized plan, or to create an online business that you can manage from anywhere in the world with just your smartphone, whether you are a student, an employee, or a business owner, I will explain everything to you. This video is divided into 3 parts. Firstly, we will see who are we. Secondly, what are the services that we offer. And thirdly, how to have access to our services. But before that, allow me to briefly introduce myself, because my journey to online business and investment has been anything but ordinary. So, I started my career as a soccer player in France, a childhood dream that seemed to be coming true. But let's say that the life had other plans for me. After being struck by serious health issues that kept me in hospitals for nearly 2 years, my life took a decisive turn. So at the age of 18, during my studies, I discovered the fascinating world of online business. To my great surprise, this new adventure took off directly, exceeding all my expectations with incredible results. However, it was in 2018 that I realized a crucial lack, a big gap. The lack of solid training in financial education and investments in Europe. So, how can we aspire to financial security or even financial freedom without this essential knowledge? So, seeing a huge need, I decided to look for the answers. So, I traveled to United States of America. Then, that's where I found InvestView, the only publicly traded company specialized in financial education and financial markets for individuals. Through iGenius, one of its companies, more than 40 international experts are dedicated to training and supporting our customers. We offer a range of services from training, which is the complete DNA of what we do, on how to create your own portfolio of stocks, cryptos, or assets in general on your own trading accounts, on your own brokers. We also have completely automated solutions thanks to our strategic partnerships. Are the trainings simple, complete, and detailed? As we say, pictures speak louder than words. So allow me to give you a guided tour of our academy. You will find hundreds of videos covering all aspects of financial education and financial markets, suitable for all levels, of course, from beginner to expert. Our topics include, for example, how to set up a budget or save money on a daily basis, or how to generate passive income or protect your money. The goal is clearly to master the language of money and understand how to achieve true financial freedom. In addition to videos, we offer live sessions with our educators and traders, giving you the chance to ask your questions. So if you miss a live, no worries, all sessions are available on replay. Solid financial education allows you to understand that if you exchange your time for money, you will work all your life. So that's essential to learn to make your money work for you. Aiming for returns higher than inflation, that's vital to build your wealth. Instead of depending on banks, which use your money and offer low returns, learn to understand the financial markets. So whether it's Forex, cryptocurrencies, or stocks, we will simplify these concepts for you. So you will have access to our training videos, live sessions, but also discussion groups to interact with our community. Plus, our traders will provide you analysis and signals on interesting market opportunities. So let's give you an example. In Forex, which is the international currency market, you know that you can speculate on one currency against another. Our traders will send you daily signals that you can apply by yourself on your own trading account with all the necessary information. For the stock and cryptocurrency markets, the process is pretty similar. We offer trading signals, but also long-term investment strategies. So here we have 2 goals. Firstly, to explain the current market situation and provide real-time updates. That's fundamental to invest our money smartly, being in the right economic timing, buying when it's low and selling when it's high. Secondly, we will identify solid and high-performing projects in a favorable market period. Each project is followed by fundamental analysis, links with further research if you want, of course, to do your own additional researches, and also technical information, like for example, on which exchange you can find the opportunity, at what price to buy, at what price to sell according to our strategies, and of course, regular updates on the projects. Of course, we explain you everything on our academy. The fact that we've been in the market for many years now allows us to have track records to give you an idea of the possibilities. Of course, disclaimer required, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but it can help you to have a better view. By the way, I remind you of something super important. We never manage your money directly. You operate on your own accounts with your own brokers in complete security. If you are concerned about not having time to follow our services, that's why we have our partnerships, because you can automate all the signals, all about what I explained to you if you want. So everything the traders do can be replicated directly on your accounts with risk management adapted to your profile, because you are the only person to fix that. We also have a partnership with Endotech, a company that has created an AI which will operate in the financial markets, but particularly in cryptocurrencies in the last few years. Initially reserved for institutional investors, our partnership, and we are the only ones, to make this technology accessible to individuals for a minimum investment of just $1,000 instead of $1 million and $125,000 in management fees. So how does it work? The AI is at the origin of multiple different automatic trading strategies. So you will choose which one is the best for you. We have all information to help you make the best decision. You can of course have multiple strategies as well. Then you create an account on an Endotech partner exchange like Coinbase or Binance, the biggest ones, and you keep full control of your money. You will simply authorize Endotech to connect this strategy to your account with an API system in just few minutes. And then your strategy is ready to work for you. Then you have also access to a back office which in real time shows you the trades, the allocation of your assets, and also, of course, the evolution of your strategy. And as I said, you can withdraw your money whenever you want. That's your capital, and your capital is on your own exchange. One of the first questions people usually have is how much does it cost to have access to everything? Because for such a big value, it must not be cheap. So first of all, our offer is very rich, but you have also to know, guys, that this is not all. We also offer many other services, which if you would like, we'll be happy to share with you all details. Otherwise, our vision has always been to offer the best to our customers in an accessible way. So we do not have to invest millions or hundreds of thousands of euros or dollars to have access to our services, as we could think, but we operate with the system of monthly subscriptions without any commitment at $175 per month or $146 per month if you pay in advance for 6 months or 1 year, like Fitness Center. Why without any commitment? Because our business model is based on customer satisfaction. Satisfied customers are customers who stay. That's why we only focus ourselves on the value of our education and our services. That's the most important for us. Also, you will notice that we don't invest anything on advertising and operate only on the basis of recommendations. Then, the monthly subscription is followed by unique fees to be paid only once, depending on the services you want to use. So for example, $399 for the select package to have access to our training platform, plus Forex and crypto signals. Then $599 for the premium package to have access to everything included in the select package, plus stock signals. And then you have the best one, the elite one, at $1,500 to become an exclusive client, because you will have access to 100% of our services, including Endotech's automated strategies. So guys, we are coming to the end of the video, but before we leave, here's what you absolutely need to know and do after watching this video. Firstly, you have the opportunity to set up your online franchise with iGenius in a totally inclusive way, regardless of the pack you decide to take. It can help you to create a residual income at the amount that you work for. And for example, I have myself made millions with this opportunity, which allowed me to build up large capital for my investments. So if you are interested, I invite you to watch the video Create Your Franchise with iGenius. Secondly, and of course, if you have any questions about our partners, our training platform, company, services, or whatever, absolutely contact the person who directed you to us. There are no stupid questions. We are here to provide you with all the necessary answers. And if you have discovered this opportunity by my video, you can of course contact me directly on my private social media, and it's gonna be a pleasure for me to answer you and to guide you for the next steps. Finally, if you want to register directly, don't wait. There are many advantages to be registered quickly. We are in a very big timing into the market right now, but also in the business. Registration takes only a couple of minutes. You go through a registration link, choose your country, the language that you speak, and the pack of your choice. Then you submit all your information and your website will be automatically ready. After that, you will be integrated into our different groups and into the community. Then we will make an appointment as soon as possible to develop your personalized action plan according to the goals you decide to pursue.